Shalom Israel partners. First and foremost, I want to thank you for standing with us at this time. This is very important for us and very significant as we're entering into the high holidays. Just in a few days, we're going to celebrate Rosh Hashanah. This is the time when Israel should not be standing alone. And we have you standing together with us, helping us support our soldiers, their families, with the care food packages for the holidays. So thank you so much for that. Real quick, I want to update you. Yes, we're saying about Israel doesn't need to stand alone, but we are about to stand alone. Unfortunately, this week, Benjamin Netanyahu, Prime Minister of Israel, just conveyed a message, gave a speech saying that Israel needs to be prepared to be self-sustained. We are seeing the international community turning their back on us right now. As we are speaking, countries are enforcing a weapon embargo over Israel. The nations don't want to trade with Israel. That's what Benjamin Netanyahu was saying. This week, the United Nations voted in favor of an establishment of a Palestinian state. 90-some% of the international community, 10 countries voted against, and I think 13 obtained, but the rest of them are in favor of giving a price to the Palestinian aggressor attackers, the people who came against Israel almost 2 years since October 7th, when we were invaded by a brutal enemy who killed, raped, destroyed, murdered, kidnapped thousands, hundreds of our civilians and soldiers, and now the world is giving them a prize. They're giving the enemies of Israel a declaration that they can start and establish a state within the same borders of the land of Israel. The hypocrisy in this world is unprecedented, is unbelievable. They try to sugarcoat it by caring about the underdog, about the poor Palestinians, but this is nothing but anti-Semitism, pure hatred towards the Jews, the same ancient demonic spirit that came against the Jews from the times of the Bible. But I see a revival coming. When Israel is about to stand alone, just like being prophesied, this is the time when Israel is about to win and prevail, and the God of Israel will win the wars. We're seeing even that Ashara, the president of Syria, said that there is an agreement about to be happening between Syria and Israel, a Damascus Road conversion. Stay tuned, we will win.